You're going to want to call the kids and family around because we are going to read a true story. Oh my dear, not here. Once upon a time, there was a gardener named Bob Exidy, and because nobody could pronounce his last name, they called him Bob X. With his background in chemistry, he loved shrubs and trees, but the problem was, so did the neighborhood deer and small critters. Nearly 4 decades ago, like a scientist, he decided to combine all kinds of natural ingredients together that warns deer, moose, and squirrels and more that they won't like the taste nor smell when sprayed on plants. He asked his family to try it on their yard. He asked his best friend to try it on his yard. He even had independent studies that have shown that it's the second most effective deer repellent right after a physical fence, and who wants to have a huge, ugly, expensive fence around their yard? Today, commercial nurserymen, master gardeners, rose enthusiasts, and thousands of homeowners nationwide can get the most effective and environmentally friendly repellents. And what does Bobbex call this magical potion? Bobbex! The end for deer and critters hanging around your yard.